Maybe she'd be somebody you'd like to kill.
Owen, what the hell's going on out there?
Nothing, Mama. We woke her up.
Who are you talking to? Who's in there with you?
Nobody, Mama.
Who's this?
This is Cousin Patty. He's going to be staying with us for a while. Isn't that nice?
You don't have a cousin Patty.
You lied to me.
Mrs. Lift, I know you don't want to hear this now. I know you don't want to hear anything derogatory about your son, Mrs. Lift, and I understand that. Because he's not a bad man, Mrs. Lift. He's a nice man, actually. He is a lunatic, though, Mrs. Lift. He's a lunatic. And, see, I don't have to be here now, Mrs. Lift. I could be in Mexico. I could be out of all of this. I'm only here to stop him. How do you say this, Mrs. Lift? Listen to me, Mrs. Lift. Your son killed my wife. And now he wants me to kill you. Mrs. Lift? I'm gonna go read the paper now, and I'm just glad we had this chance to talk.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Owen's friend.
Owen doesn't have a friend.
That's because he's shy.
No, he's not. He's fat and he's stupid. Get out of my house. Where is Owen?
Owen went bowling.
I want Owen.
He'll be back in a minute.
I want my bath. I want my medicine.
I can get it for you.
Who the hell are you all of a sudden?
Let me hang it up for you.
I can hang up my own goddamn.
I know that, but I would like to hang it up for
Get
you.
out of my way, you black bastard.
What? Mrs. Lift!
He tried to kill me.
What?
I said he's trying to kill me.
Mrs. Lift! Don't...
Hang up my own goddamn shawl. He's trying to kill me. I asked for the salted nuts. He brought me the unsalted nuts. The unsalted nuts makes me choke. Pain in the ass.